Hello students. Yesterday we learned about the winds and their types. There are three types of winds. Which are they? Planetary winds, local winds and seasonal winds. First, planetary winds. The winds that blow regularly on the earth from high to low pressure belts throughout the year are called planetary winds. These winds cover a large portion of the earth. For example, the easterlies, the westerlies, and the polar winds. In the both hemispheres, the winds that blow from the mid-latitudinal high pressure belt means between 25 degree and 35 degree parallels to the equatorial low pressure belt between 0 degree and 5 degree parallels are called easterly winds. In both the hemispheres, the winds that blow from the mid-latitudinal high pressure belt between 25 degree and 35 degree parallel to the subpolar low pressure belt between 55 degree and 65 degree parallel are called westerlies. In both the hemispheres, the wind that blow from the polar high pressure belt between 80 degree and 90 degree parallel to the subpolar low pressure belt between 55 degree and 65 degree parallels are called polar winds. Second type, local winds. The winds that blow for a short duration of time originate in specific regions and blow over limited area are called local winds. These winds are known by different local names in different regions where they blow. The winds that blow from the valley towards the mountain during the day are called valley breeze. The winds that blow from mountain towards the valley at night are called mountain breeze. The winds that blow from the sea to the land during the day are called sea breeze. The winds that blow from land to sea at night are called land breeze. Besides these, winds blow under particular conditions in different areas. These are called local winds. For example, Lu, Simom, Chinook, Mistral, Bora, Pampero, Fohn, etc. Seasonal winds. Monsoon winds are generated due to the uneven heating of land and water in the different seasons. Southeast Asia, East Africa, North Australia are the regions where the pronounced effect of these winds are felt. The influence of monsoon winds is seen in the summer and winter seasons in the Indian subcontinent. Due to these winds, the Indian subcontinent experiences monsoon means rainy season and retreating monsoon season apart from summer and winter. Monsoon winds are in fact sea and land breeze blowing on a large scale. Most of the precipitation in Indian subcontinent is the effect of moon winds. After crossing the equator, They blow from southwest towards the Indian subcontinent during the period from June to September. These winds are called the southwest monsoon winds. They are full of moisture. From September to December, because of the low pressure areas developing near the equator, winds blow from the Indian subcontinent towards equator. These winds are called the northeast monsoon winds. They are dry.